chasing the prize. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one, them I step in on me yard, them I enter, them be 2 by 2.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, you are welcome to my channel, and if you are old subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Lizzie. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified so that you don't miss any of my videos. So today's video, I will be installing eye contact. Just very simple and easy how to install your eye contact. I ordered this online because it came like this. Then it's 2 left and right, but each one of these, they don't write no left or right. You can install it for right or left because of there is no one. Only what you have to do when you take it out from this little container, because you can't replace it back when you open it, is done. So you just have to get some this. I have some already. There is one for this. I just want to open a new one for you guys to see. So this one have right and left. You have a left and right. So this left one, anytime you finish using it, when you keep it here or you drop it here, this right one will be the right, then the left one will be the left. So you don't have to miss it. I will just open the box like this. It came like this. It's very small, and here we just have to open it. Before applying it, I like to use hand because it come with this. Using this one to pick it, you know, if you are shaking this eyeball, we have to be careful. You are not comfortable, you think you want to use it to bust your eye, and before you even try to open your eyeball, it will fall out of this one. I strongly using this one. I just prefer using hand. It's very easy. You have to wash your hand to be more careful. Then I will just open it carefully. You can get the water from pharmacy or draw shop, whatever you call it. I will just turn it inside here. So I use this one to pick it inside the small box or container, then I place it on my hand. So what you need to do, you use your 2 hands like this to open eye down, then open eye up. Then you look at the mirror, then you close to the mirror, then you place it in the eye like this. So you just have to, after installing it, you just have to blink your eye. You see, even though, because I'm trying to arrange it, yeah, it look like I'm not comfortable. It look like there is sand inside. So you just feel some things. What you just have to close your eye, like close your eye for just 1 seconds to 10 seconds like this. Then open it. More you blink your eye, you like getting regular, like you will be arrange, then you will not feel anything again. But for me, for the first time, I feel something. So I already installed this one. Now I will be installing this one too. Again, I will use this one to pick it inside because I don't want to dip my hand inside the small container and the water. I will just use this one to pick it up. You have to let it curve like this. Maybe we curve for your eye. If it slip, it relax on your hand, it's not going to go to your eyeball. You have to make it curve like this. When it's curved like this, You see, even though like open my eye down, like little breeze will go inside my eyeball, definitely tears is going to come out. Come back like you want to take it out, you still have to open your eye, look at the mirror, open your two eye, use one hand up, one hand down, open it like this, use it to like you just take it out. After taking it out, you just put it back inside the water and close the container. That is the end of this video, guys. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. I will be doing this kind of video. If you like beginner like me, you can learn from me. What you just have to do, you just have to be careful, because this is eyeball. Careful, this is your eyeball is sensitive. So please, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Passing the pride.